Wagwan KK squad, good morning, welcome. So as you can see by the title, we're heading to the beach to see the sunrise. So I decided to take you guys on the journey with me. Hear my voice sound just wake and all these things. The lighting might be bad, it's very dark out. Sorry my son, but just give me a little time. My voice and everything soon build up. No worry yourself, no worry. So yeah, what time now? It's 6:50. It's 6:52. The sun should be out soon, so you're gonna see the beauty of everything. Don't worry yourself, it's coming, guys. Anyway, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so we are here about to set up and see what's going on. Couple people up on the beach, like 1 and 2 people on the beach and stuff, but it's still pretty dark out. I just want to see the sunrise. Gosh, I hate these seaweeds. But that not gonna spoil my local shots. So outside and we're not going. We're outside and we're not going. So this is the view. I mean, it's a nice view. Just the seaweed them right. So just, you know, spoil it up. As you can see, this is my little setup to see the sunrise. I want to catch everything. But this is it. This is the view. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing a lot of clothes, yeah, because it's cold out here. It's 60 degrees. So I have on 2 pants, sweater, and a jacket. And somebody over here said not talk because it's too cold and it's too early. I said somebody over here not talk because it's too cold and it's too early. Oh, it's coming up. It's getting brighter and brighter outside, which is good. Why am I look so? Should I just weak, you know? Should I just weak? Not even comb my ear properly. But who cares about that? We're here to see the sunrise. Oh, I'm recording from my phone. I was gonna tell you the time. You have the time? Play your phone? Or your watch? My watch broke. Huh? It's 7 now? Oh, 7:09. Everybody are come out now. People are walk them dog. This side empty. We outside. Listen, the water look clean and like the water pure, water clean, very nice. But it's just this damn seaweed. Sorry guys, I'm here alone not seeing the video because it's too early for him. Too early for him, and him cold. See him? Too early for him and it's too cold. What can I say? But this is what I'm talking about. This is my happy place. Even though it's cold, I wish it never did this cold. So people that come out here and take picture. Oh, let me show you. It's them people up on the wall over there so I take picture of the sunrise. Them know the exact time to come out. Them know, yeah, people are walking. But yeah, let me show you how beautiful the beach is without my big face in the camera. Without the seaweed and my big face in the camera, this is how beautiful it is. If it wasn't so cold, I would have definitely go take a dip. I would definitely take a dip. We're outside and we're not going. Oh, it's coming up. Hurry up. Damn. On the camera, you can't even see clear, but it's coming up. It's coming up. Guys. Like the beauty, you cannot see it on the camera. That's so crazy. It just looks like one big rain cloud there, but trust me. Let me turn the other way and see if it's gonna show. Oh, there it goes. Look at it. It's coming up. See that, guys? You see it, Ian? It is coming. And there you have it, the sunrise. So KK squad, as you can see, the sunrise come and be it things. That was a beautiful experience for me. Everybody have them camera out, everybody a record. I didn't know this was a thing where people actually do this, but it is super cool. But anyways, I just a look a short clip showing you this beautiful view. Like sometimes you can wake up in the morning and come do this, you know. Oh, he gonna fly his drone. The drone shots are coming. Guys, this was beautiful. This. Like, I know sometimes it's hard for me to wake up early in the morning because I know it's hard for me this morning because we go bed 2:30 this morning. But, like, after a while, because the grumpiness come out of him now, for him wake up early, it's worth waking up early to see this beautiful view, yo. I'm not even if you can hear me now because be a nice water maker. Thank you guys so much for watching. Even though I just made another video. Listen, don't worry on the side. I soon buy some friend. I'm gonna buy some friend who want to do the same things like what me like to do. Don't worry on yourself, man. Like stuff like this, I want to do with friends. We just wake up in the morning and come on. Enjoy the view, but the early morning wake up thing. Him always tell me, you need friends. Now I sometimes like better without too much friends. I have friends, but everybody like different stuff. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, it's a move, sir. Huh? No, but me I said, oh, did that move so a while ago? Like, did that move like droop, droop, droop? Oh, because you're different. What's that thing? Sports mode? Sports mode. But me, they not in every video them. Guys, we said we took some cool videos, so let's see where we get the clips. Yes.
What do? You take pictures with them too?
Yes, and videos.
They are so cool. I've
Yeah.
seen bigger ones, you know, the real thing.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. And that's London. Can't get over this view. It's a beautiful day. We're looking for something fun to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Cap. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.